बिल्डिंग, नया जोश, नई उमंग, नया लक्ष्य।
This building is definitely an state-of-the-art facility which has been built with the vision to cater to all employees' convenience and satisfaction.
Whenever you enter, it brings a lot of positivity and energy and the inspiration to work.
The training center has been designed with a futuristic approach and aided with all modern amenities where all types of learning facilities can be catered. Specifically considering the new avenues of learning where all online training modules are as effective as classroom trainings.
And I can conclude that it will not be a great place to work, but it will be the best place to work.
To sum up, strong organizations understand that they are more than just workplaces, they are extended families.